If you want to download games or applications from the App Store and you have the problem where it says cannot connect to App Store, there's 3 things that you can do to fix this problem. Start by opening your settings app and then go to your Wi-Fi settings. If you are already connected to a Wi-Fi network, you have to disconnect and connect again. So you're going to click on this little I button here and then tap on Forget. Then confirm you want to forget it and then simply reconnect to it. If you think your Wi-Fi network is slow, you might have to try with another network. If you're using mobile data, open those settings. Go to Mobile Data Options, then click on Voice and Data and make sure that 4G is enabled. If this doesn't fix your problem, you might have to switch to a Wi-Fi network. Another thing that you can do is to open the General Settings. Click on Date and Time and make sure that both of these options are enabled. And the last method that we can try if the other two that didn't fix the problem is to go back to General Settings and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings. And now if you go to the App Store, it should connect without a problem.